Figured I'd make a few casts. See if we can get any bites over here. Watercolor changed a little bit. It's a different shade now, but bait's in the water. The whiting took it. You see this whiting, no spot on the tail. It's the colors will come later. Northern whiting has little teeth too. Now you see the stripes come out. Sometimes you luck out on the wind change. It only works if you live close by. Same fish comes in without the stripes. After he dies, the stripes show up. No spot on the tail.